siya na lang yung matitirang leader ng ngayon because mag-aalisan, mag-enlist na yung iba. And then there was also this one tweet that said na how hard it must be for him because he expected in his mind siya yung mauunang mag-enlist at siya yung magbibigay ng advice sa mga bata. Ganito dito o ganito Pero wala ngayon, he is the one sending everybody off isa-isa. So that's, 'di ba, na parang it's tough for you to do that.
Mga last highlights bago tayo mag-move on to our last question.
Alam mo, natatakot ako kay Scoops eh. Kasi
yun yung highlight mo?
Hindi, kasi so kanina, nanonood ako, diba? Nanonood ako.
Nung lumabas si Scoops for Cheers, yun yung sabi mo.
Scoops for Cheers, yung pasok siya, takot ako. Kasi mukha talaga siyang mananapak eh. Wala, talaga in my thoughts, I was thinking, wala naman akong ginawa eh. Ba't ka ganit sa akin? What's up, bro? Alam mo yung para bakit? Pero I gotta say, like, I always enjoy watching Cheers live. I mean, the music video, of course, is good. But, like, I like how they everybody ends up there.
Daon-dongi pang
Otis. Pero yun nga si Scoops ang talaga parang gusto ko tumingin sa kanya pero parang bawal.
Kung kunyari makilala mo siya in real life, kunyari makabump into mo siya sa isang coffee shop sa Pilipinas habang nag-ano sila. Parang yun nangyari doon sa isang karat. Anong gagawin mo? Kalikod mo siya sa pila?
Hindi, alam ko kasi I'm older than him.
So may advantage ka na gano'n.
So parang if I say, 89. Diba? I'm older than you. Hindi pa niyo maano sa akin. Manlibre ka. Diba? Ikaw may pera. Dami mong pera. Diba? Pero like, if I didn't know him, as like 17 or whatever, tapos I saw him, tapos ganun yung itsura niya, I wouldn't even dare.
Nakakatakot lang talaga siya.
Because naman, look at me. And look at him. Diba? Parang, unang-una, mas pogi siya sa akin. I know that. Tapos mukha...
hindi. Mas pogi ka.
So, ito pala. Anong message mo para sa mga songchol bias out there with that kind of...
Kasama ako doon.
I'm sorry. That's just my opinion. I'm scared of him.
Pero to be fair, parang I feel like a lot of K-poppies are scared of Songchol because of that aura. Parang ang dami din natin nakita sa Twitter na people are scared of him. But what I appreciated nga about Day 2 is also yun nga yung moment ni Hoshi thanking him. Tapos yung naiyak siya, sobrang nakaka-soft. Tapos yun, tapos parang humihingi siya ng hug. And nakakatawa nung hinag siya ni Hoshi. Tapos yun lumapit kagad si Woozi. Kasi imagine na siya na lang yung matitirang leader ng ngayon because mag-aalisan, mag-enlist na yung iba. And then there was also this one tweet that said na how hard it must be for him because he expected in his mind siya yung mauunang mag-enlist at siya yung magbibigay ng advice sa mga bata. Ganito dito ganito Pero wala ngayon, he is the one sending everybody off isa-isa. So that's, 'di ba, na parang it's tough for you to do that.
That was actually nice, that moment of theirs. Kasi at one point nga, Scoops had his beanie covering his face. Kasi he's like that, diba? Parang hiya siya, yung gano'n. Tapos Hoshi was still talking. And yung nga, nagte-thank you siya kay Scoops. So, syempre naka-cover yung eyes ni Scoops. And he was reaching out. He reached out for Hoshi, trying to hug him. Pero nag-reach out siya to the front and nasa side si Hoshi. So, si Hoshi na lang yung
kasi nakapikit siya. Pakita na umiyak siya noon.
So, that was really, really nice. Na parang, okay, so, yun, because nga naka-cover yung face niya, parang hindi na siya nakakatakot. Diba?
Mukha daw siya.
So, ganun pala siya kailangan maka-interact. Oo.
Pag umiiyak, tsaka naka-cover.
Correct. Pero sobrang true. Parang, I feel like sobrang, in general, itong mga ments na to, ito talaga, it really did feel na parang, shit, paalis na sila.